Hi guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and we just got home from Walmart grocery pickup. I had a pretty huge order this time. This order totaled close to $240. It is a week's worth of groceries, but it just so happened we were out of almost everything. So we have a ton of stuff here for me to show you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just gonna start over here with the paper stuff that I needed to get. I got a big thing of paper towels, some toilet paper, and then some laundry detergent. And then here is the table with all of the things. So we had to get some more cereal. We like these Honey Nut O's. 2 things of beef and bean burritos for quick lunches. Some chocolate chunk granola bars. 2 things of Texas toast. I did get some more corn dogs just for quick lunches. Ice cream for a dessert one night, and then vanilla ice cream for root beer floats. We only needed a gallon of milk. We're drinking a lot less cow's milk these days, so we still have some from last week. I did get some crescent rolls to make the kids pigs in a blanket. Butter, orange juice. I don't normally buy orange juice, but I started making brunch on Sundays for the family, and I thought it would be nice for us to have some orange juice to go with that. I got some bacon, hot dogs for the pigs in the blanket, and then some sausage because I am making red beans and rice this week. I got some frozen burgers. These are just easier for us. I don't have to worry about forming burgers, and we like to have burgers on the weekend right now while it's still a billion degrees outside. A thing of chicken breast, and then 3 pounds of ground beef. I got some sharp cheddar for snacks. Just some of these American singles. The kids like to make grilled cheese sandwiches. A big 2-pound bag of mozzarella cheese, some pepperoni, and then some cheese sticks. Root beer for the root beer floats. Some chocolate syrup for chocolate milk. Hamburger buns, a loaf of bread. Somebody put my carrots over here. Just some chocolate chip cookies for dessert. My coffee. Egg noodles for beef stroganoff one night. I got a thing of Kool-Aid just to make Kool-Aid for a treat. And then I got some of these watermelon true lime things for myself. Seasonings, I got Italian seasoning, and then onion powder, some pancake mix, sugar-free syrup, a nice huge thing of tortillas. Then we have all of our veggies over here. We have carrots, baby carrots, romaine lettuce, sweet peppers, celery, tomatoes, onion, a green pepper for the red beans and rice, grapes, the red beans, sour cream is stuck over here for the beef stroganoff, 2 things of strawberries, cinnamon rolls for a nice breakfast one day, some cinnamon roll coffee creamer. They gave us a bag. I'll show you inside that here in a minute. Chips go quick here, so I didn't realize these were lightly seasoned. I got 2 bags of regular tortilla chips, and then the blue corn tortilla chips. Some macaroni and cheese. Sugar, because I told my husband I was going to try to make him some blueberry scones. Panko breadcrumbs. Frozen blueberries for the blueberry scones. Huge bag of strawberries. I didn't order this much, but they went ahead and gave it to me because I guess they didn't have a small bag, which that's fine with me. My iced coffee that I love so much. A nice huge thing of hamburger dill chips. We go through these like crazy, so I just decided to get a big container, so maybe it'll be around a little bit longer. And then some salsa, and then some olives for a snack. And then let's see, I had to get some more Ziploc bags, 20 bananas. Cucumbers got over here. Yeah, that's fine. Some cucumbers for snacks, and then my green onions. The only things that are not over here, the kids got some goldfish to snack on that they are having right now. I got a big, huge carton of eggs. some yogurt drink smoothie things that they've already gotten into, and then some sodas that are already out in the garage fridge. So we don't keep those in the house, so kids aren't always getting into them. And that's it. Yeah, that's $240 worth of groceries. We are having red beans and rice one night. I'm making homemade chicken tenders another night, the beef stroganoff, hamburgers. We'll get pizza from Aldi for Friday night. And I think that's all I've got planned so far, but I will come up with a couple of other meals with some of this leftover meat and stuff. And then, of course, I'm trying to get better about planning our breakfasts and our lunches so the kids aren't just mindlessly snacking all day and going through all of our food before it's time for me to go back to the grocery store. So that's why I'm trying to be more intentional about planning snacks and planning lunches and breakfasts. So I will go ahead and show you what's in that goodie bag. They're doing like a back to school promotion or something. We haven't gotten a goodie bag in a while, but that's a nice cute little bag. And then what's inside? Thank you. Hi there. Thanks for ordering groceries at Walmart. Okay. And then we got some mixed fruit snacks. And then some Tide Pods. Hang on a minute, Ava. You want some carrots? Hang on, okay. Let's see here. Jif Power-Ups, creamy peanut butter clusters. That's interesting. Let's see. Trident Vibes, so that's gum.
Oh, gum.
Snuggle Scent Shakes.
Can I have the
Cottonelle Flushable Wipes. What you get out?
can you try the gum?
A little brochure. Yes, that's fine.
Okay.
And one last thing, a Lucky Charms cereal bar. So that was a pretty nice little goodie bag. Oh wait, there's something else. Here's something else. More bars. So a chewy bar and then a crispy creamy wafer bar. That looks good. Alright guys, so that is it for this grocery haul. Check out the post that will be linked up in the description box. I showed them the carrots. Thank you. Check out the post that will be linked up in the description box down below to get our full meal plan. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.